Hello everyone. The thing that can annoy the Windows operating system is forcing Microsoft to use the Edge browser. Most people use Chrome as their browser and want the pages they open through it. In this tutorial I will show you how to set it up. Note: this only applies to Windows 10 or later operating systems. The first step is to go to Search in the lower left corner. If search is hidden, we can click on the Start button located in the lower left corner. After that, type Default Apps. Let's open the first of the options offered. There you can see various options. The one we need is a web browser. We click. Choose the search engine you want from the list. In this case it is the Chrome browser. That is all. Now all web pages that we want to open will be automatically opened through Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.